Hello.
Welcome to Ikea.
So, what do you think about IKEA?
Ikea.
IKEA.
In Swedish it's Ikea. Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I went to Ikea with my sister and her husband just for the sake of eating vegan cakes because recently they started selling vegan cakes here in the area. So I had to use the opportunity to come here and try some. Right now they only have one cake, which is a strawberry cheesecake. So I'm gonna try that and see if it's tasty or not. And later on, they said that they might have some vegan pies as well. So we'll see if I'm gonna get some. The vegan cheesecake was 15 shekels, which is around, I think 3.5 pounds. Tasty, super sweet. It's a bit too sweet for me, but still nice. So a few more words about the cake. It was very soft and fluffy, which was really nice, pleasant. The only thing is that it was way too sweet for me. I ate it all, I finished it, it was good, but too sweet, and I wouldn't buy it again just because it's too sweet for me. But if you like sweet cakes, then definitely should try it. We're just gonna have a little walk around the store and then we'll see if I find some more vegan tasty food. Hello!
Well, we came here to look for something, and basically, I don't think we found any. Like, we have this huge list of 20 items that we're still missing. Yeah, so right now we're looking for some chairs, and I don't really especially like anything here right now, so hopefully we'll find something later on.
Coffee. We've been here for a few hours now and I got really tired. But I woke up at like 7 a.m. today. So now it's around 11:30 I think. It's too early for me. Too early. I saw more vegan cakes, or more like vegan pies there. One was chocolate pie, the other was apple pie, and they looked kind of sad, so I decided to just skip on them. And there were, I think, 10 shekels each, so around like 2 pounds and a bit, 2.5. And they looked so sad, it's not worth the money, and I don't really want any more sweets today. So I'm just planning on finding some falafel and fries later on.
Ой, а что, нас снимают?
They took loads of stuff, and all I want is falafel. Not bad. It's tasty. Fries is good. I had the falafel meal, which is falafel in pita fries and drink, so I got water. It was 15 shekels, which is about 3.5 pounds. Fries was good. Falafel wasn't like the best falafel you will eat in your life, but it was nice. It was kind of like a falafel you would buy in supermarket, but the pita was fresh and vegetables were fresh, so the whole thing was very nice. I enjoyed eating the meal. They also have vegan ice cream there, which costs only 2 shekels, which is about like I don't know, less than 50 pence, I think. But the line was too big, so I just decided that I don't want to stand and wait for it. I did try it before and it is very nice. I know that there is a vegan hot dog in UK for I think less than £1, and I wish they had it here, but sadly no. I saw a guy tasting it, I think it was in Switzerland, but it's kind of like the same vegan hot dog, and well, he wasn't vegan, so he was like not very pleased about like it being not meat, but he still liked it. Vegan hot dog he got compared to the not vegan one was way nicer because it had like more things inside. I think like some cabbage or something like that, while the meat hot dog had nothing in it, just like bread and the sausage. So yeah, I wish we had one here so I could try. The whole trip here, if you include the transport, cost me 60 shekels today, which is about like 13-ish pounds. And I can say that it wasn't worth the trip. I came here just to try the cakes and I tried only one, and it wasn't that great to actually be going for it to Ikea. If you're here and you want some foods, then yeah, sure, go ahead and try it and eat it. But going here for that is just plain stupid. But still had fun. And my sister and her husband, they got some furniture and stuff, so the trip wasn't for nothing, just that I came here basically only for food. Even though that I don't really enjoy going into like big shops and being around loads of people, Ikea is kind of cool. Well, because first of all, it's not like a clothing shop, so it's things for home and it's kind of cool to see. I mostly like the departments where you have like this small kind of things like for kitchen and all that. I have special love for Sweden and I'm even kind of obsessed with Sweden, so Ikea is special too because that's like the only little piece of Sweden I can have here. I also got some Swedish cookies for a friend from work, and I got one for myself as well. They're vegan too. They were for 10 shekels each, which is like 2 and something pounds, which is like not the cheapest price for like the amount of cookies you get here, but I mean it's special, it's from Ikea. I saw that they sell elderflower syrup there. I really love elderflower juices, but usually they mix it with like apple juice or something, and then it's delicious. But just the syrup, I'm not so sure that I would love it because probably it's like with sugar or something, so I decided to skip. And they have very nice lingonberry jam, which I bought some time ago, and it was very nice. Putting some with some curry or whatever, really delicious. But I decided to skip this time because it does contain lots of sugar and I just rather not have it. Finally home. When we went back from Ikea to the train, we had like 2 minutes until the train and we didn't have tickets, so we had to buy some tickets from the machines, and the train was like a bit far away, so we actually had to run, and luckily the train was late by like 2 minutes or something, so somehow we made it. And it's amazing because otherwise we would have to wait for another like half an hour, and I'm so tired and my head aches because I didn't drink enough. So I'm just happy I'm home. My conclusion from this day is it was pointless. I spent amount of money that for this money I could have bought me some tasty noodles and still would have money left, or just spend it on sushi and enjoy way more. So this was a learning experience. Don't go to Ikea if all you want is food, because it's not worth it. This is gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share. See you next time.